Hello, welcome to the 12th lecture of this series, which is Association Rules. In this, we'll be covering three topics: how to mine association rules, how to apply the confidence difference criteria, and how to apply the confidence quotient criteria, all while using Python. First, what is association rules? Association rules are used in data mining to uncover interesting relationship between variables in large data sets. They are commonly applied in market basket analysis where they help identify patterns like customers who buy bread often buy butter. The goal is to find rules. In this these techniques are used in basically for marketing where it is for businessmen to identify which product is being purchased by which other product more frequently. It helps them boost their sale. So this is the format where A implies B. It means if most of the times customers who buy bread often buy butter with it. So it is used to make butter in the next section to the bread. So where AAA and BBB are item sets. And the rule indicates that the occurrence of AAA implies the occurrence of BBB. So there are three key metrics for evaluating association rule. The first one is support, frequency of the item set in the data set. Second is confidence, probability of BBB given AAA. It means probability of the second item being given the first item. And the third is lift, which measures how most likely first item and second item occur together than expected if they were independent. Now, how to mine association rules using Python? First, mining association rules involves identifying frequent item sets and generating rules from them. In Python, libraries like Mixtend make this process efficient. Steps: we first pre-process the dataset into a transaction format. Then we use algorithms like a priori or FP growth to identify frequent item sets. Third, generate association rule from frequent item set using a minimum confidence threshold. Fourth, evaluate the rules using metrics, support, confidence, and lift. Second technique is how to apply confidence difference criteria. So it evaluates association rule by comparing difference between the confidence of the rule, meaning confidence of A and confidence of B. So this in this step there are three steps: calculate confidence and calculate the confidence difference. Matlab filter rules based on a threshold for the confidence difference. Larger difference indicate stronger directional relationship. Third is how to apply the confidence quotient criterion using Python. The confidence quotient criterion evaluates the relationship strength by comparing the ratio of confidence for rule A to BA implies BA to B, and in this reverse B to AB, which implies AB to A. For this, steps include calculate the confidence, then compute the confidence quotient. I have written this formula, read it once. Then third is select rules where the quotient deviates significantly from 1. In mostly these are used in the cases where there are imbalance in the relationship in item set. Now, for the code, let's see. First, we are importing libraries. We start by importing the necessary libraries. Here we use pandas to handle the data and Mixtend to perform frequent item mining and generate association rule, which is import pandas SPD and import patterns. Now prepare the dataset. Our dataset is in a encoded format where 1 means the item is present and 0 means it is not. Here's a small example dataset like Milk, bread, butter, and cheese. So milk is present in one, two, three. Milk is present three times, bread is present four times, butter is present three times, and cheese is present only two times. Then we'll make a data frame. Now step 3, mine frequent item sets. We use the a priori algorithm to find frequent item set with a minimum support of 50%. Means that zero point 0.5 minimum support, here we have written that. This means we are identifying groups of items that appear together in at least half of the transaction. So now associating generate association rules. Once we have frequent item sets, we use them together to generate association rule. These rules tell us the presence of one item can predict the presence of another. See this syntax: rules is equal to association underscore rules. फ्रीक्वेंट आइटम सेट मैट्रिक्स में कॉन्फिडेंस कर देना है. Then minimum threshold is equal to 0.6. Now for second technique, we are applying the confidence difference criteria. Here, difference criteria checks how much stronger rule A to B is compared to reverse B to A. It means if the customer is taking first bread or he is purchasing first butter. So we calculate this difference, and by these are the two lines: rules confidence difference is equal to EBS, rules confidence minus rules leverage. Then write that and make the criteria of it more than zero point 0.2. Now for third technique, apply the confidence quotient criteria. So quotient criteria measures the ratio of rules confidence to its reverse. A value much greater than 1 means the rule A implies B is much stronger than B implies A. We filter rules where this quotient is greater than 2 or less than 5. Now, at last, print the result or the criteria that gives us insight. Conclusion: in this code, we have studied that we have successfully mined association rules and applied two different criteria for better understanding of the concept and relationship in our data set. This method is widely used in market basket analysis and in recommendation systems. Now, at last, see this slide, which is the key features of this association rule mining. So, first key feature is frequent item sets, meaning what item sets are being frequently purchased. It is found by using a priori algorithm. Second is association rules, obviously generated with minimum confidence threshold. Third is confidence difference. And fourth is confidence quotient, which calculate ratios. These are the four key features of this technique. I hope you have understood my whole series. Thank you very much.